All stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What is going on, guys? David Productions 345 here. We got Raven in the background. We got Becca in the car. We're gonna be doing a little cinematic video today. And without further ado, let's go.
What did he say?
I said the door wasn't closed.
Oh, I knew that.
220. Perfect. Yo, obviously we can't be doing flybys in the snow and shit because like guys, we're filming some videos. Obviously
Walkie-talkies are fun.
of course they are. That's where they're gonna be included in the video.
I said I wish I had a manual and knew how to drift. I drift these curves.
Oh, I already know. You'll be sliding every single curve.
Hey, that's part of what drifting is.
Here's the play frame. Also listen to the idle, but look at this. David Productions 345, Big Red. Shout out to Becca again for getting this for me.
Shout out to Lower Highlands Laser, actually.
Yep. Alrighty guys, so I'm kind of busy today, but I'm gonna make a quick clip actually because right now, just got my car legally registered. So I actually have a little surprise for you guys. I don't know if I showed you guys this, but Becca actually got me this awesome plate frame for my old car, and she was not expecting me to total it out. I wasn't expecting it either, but unfortunately Big Red was totaled out. You guys know if you guys have seen the videos, and if not, now you guys know. So that was my red 13 Charger Max RC all-wheel drive. Can't speak English, but she got me this sick plate frame actually from Laurel Highlands Laser and Machine. So this is the plate frame. Let me pull this out for you guys real quick because I was very excited to see this.
She was actually,
Yo!
We gotta get one for your new car when we figure out its name.
No, this is going on the new car.
Yeah?
Yes.
Even with the big red on it?
Yeah.
Sick.
As soon as I get my plate, this is going on my new car, bro. Even though Big Red was totaled out, this chrome actually matches Raven way better. So, I mean, it still would look good on Big Red, but I just really hope this does not start pitting because of the weather and the chromes. So, this is the card right here for them, Laurel. Visit us on Facebook, and then there's a number. Shout out to Laurel. Not sponsored, but I just wanted to make a little clip for them just because this is a pretty sick plate frame. So here's, I'd like to thank you for your purchase and support. Let me just read this for you guys because let's just have a little reading time.
Okay.
So Laurel Highlands Laser would like to thank you for your purchase and support. Each frame is hand constructed. The stainless steel badges are 304 grade, laser etched, protected in XPEL PPF. They are super tough. However, the frame itself is made of aluminum with plating. If the winter road salts and brine come into contact with aluminum, then corrosion and damage could result. We strive to create something above the standard. We have performed testing to ensure the highest quality. Please enjoy your purchase for many years to come. Laurel Highlands Laser, Justin Miller. So it says, if the winter road salts and brine come into contact with aluminum. Okay, so it might get damaged, but luckily this is only on the back. But you know what, guys? We're gonna just test this out and see how it turns out because, guys, this thing looks sweet. Hopefully you guys can see this, but look, it already matches the chrome inside of the car. And I know it doesn't say Raven, it says Big Red, but it's in honor of Big Red. So here's my YouTube channel, David Productions 345. Guys, this is awesome. Plate frame is sick. It is unfortunate that I'm gonna be driving this car all year round, so I'm gonna coat it with a clear coat or something just to make sure it holds up. I mean, shit. Shout out to Laura, man. She looks good. Big Red, shout out. It's on Raven, obviously. It's technically, it's a tribute, so it looks great. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do right now is we found a snowy parking lot in Mexico. We're gonna slide a little bit, see what we can do. I'm not a master or professional at all, but let's see what we can do. You ready?
Yeah?
Yeah, that's what that is. I'm going right through.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're getting it. Okay.
She's sliding. Sick.
I mean, shit.
My turn?
I guess so. Alright guys, so now I'm letting Becca slide. So again, manual mode, keep it in first gear. If you see that RPM is getting kind of high, you can obviously upshift. You can use the paddles or you can use the stick. Shout out to Raven, guys. So let's get it. More gas. Please don't hit me. She sounds so good, man. Yeah, there you go. Keep it up. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh shit, you almost have it. Dude, she got it, bro. Shit. Keep that up. Hold on. So do you see like how you had it sliding? You gotta keep feathering it so it stays at that angle.
Gotcha.
Kind of like Forza. But you almost had it though. I can't even do that yet. Yo, you got it. Dude, that looks good as hell. Alright. Tires are getting cooked, but yo, you did that shit. Alright.
Okay.
All good?
Yeah.
Alright guys. We get out of here before the cops pull up. Actually, you know what? I can take a photo of the car. Do you want to put the windows up real quick? Here's the camera though.
Wait, am I filming you first or
Yes.
just getting out?
Film me. Alright, hold on. So guys, we pulled up to an undisclosed location where we're going to be doing some more sliding. So real quick, you guys see this button right here? Traction control. I can't speak English. Hold it down for 10 seconds if you guys have the taser. And we're in anger mode. You guys see that the lights are all off. Let's go. Let's be safe. Alright, make sure to stay in manual mode too. So anyways, without further ado, shout out to Miss Camerawoman. Let's get some clips.
This is... What?
Slam that door a little bit too hard.
Nah.
Alright, y'all ready?
Yeah.
Get this shit out of the way. Let's go.
He's throwing shit up.
I had it. Damn it.
It goes. Tear it up.
That was fun as hell, dude. Alright, we're gonna switch it up. Becca's gonna try now. Yo, I tore this up, bro. Alright, y'all, it's my turn. Or, oh my gosh, I cannot speak. It's Becca's turn.
Yeah, it's my turn.
It's her turn. Manual mode, let's get it. Let's go. Look at all that snow on the rear wheel well, bro. That's crazy. Oh yeah. Yo, she got that shit. What do you say?
I just threw my hands up. I said she didn't want to turn.
Yeah, but you did a perfect circle almost.
Did I really?
Yeah, look. Perfect ass circle. Huh? Yo, she got that. You're doing it, girl. Yeah, that looked pretty good. Huh? Put it in park. It's probably limp mode.
I am now.
Yes, okay, it's in limp mode. That's what it is. Put it back in. You gotta turn it off and turn it back on. Alright. Ready? Foot on the brake.
Oh, the foot was not on the brake.
Put your foot on the brake.
It's on brake.
If there's an orange light in the top, that means it's
Okay.
in limp mode. It's not in limp mode right now.
Got it.
But that means, you know how you're doing the tight turns, like right here?
Yeah.
That's when it'll go to limo because it doesn't like the tight turns.
Gotcha. Just
So-
trying to open it up a little bit.
Yep. You got it. Yo, she's doing good. Manual, don't forget manual. All right. Hey, that looked pretty good.
Yeah, the snow, yeah.
It's starting to grip more because we tore this shit up over here, bro. You might have to go more over here. Just be careful. All right, now we're just digging right through the pavement. All right. Let's see what her temps are at first real quick before we continue. She usually stays at like 170, So let's wait a minute or so. Yo, this is fun as hell. You having fun?
Yeah. I wish I could see what I look like when I do it. You're telling me I'm doing good, so I must be doing good.
No, it's like that one tight turn you did was amazing. Like that shit looks sick.
Can't see it. Even that's not gonna help much.
I know y'all probably can't see shit, but you know what? We're driving, we're having fun. A lot of stuff being picked up, kicked up. Dude, how do you feel?
I'm just hoping the camera can see some of the good parts.
Even if the
you spitting up snow was pretty sick.
Even if the camera can't see everything, it'll see the taillights and headlights, and that's all that matters. So.
The camera real quick. Look at this fucking parking lot now. That's all where David went in circles.
I was cooking that shit.
He tore it up for real.
Anyways, guys, we'll see you guys in a little bit. We're gonna let her chill. Let's go for a cruise and then come back.
Okay.
All right, see you guys in a second. Alrighty, guys, that is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys found it fun and entertaining. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.